And I got a phone call a week later and they said, because of your software, we no longer need that position anymore because of how much you've streamlined the process and how responsive you could be. And now you can take this to our portfolios in Florida, our portfolios in Texas, and now we can have access to what's going on at those properties without flying someone down there, without carrying a salary of someone that's not doing their job. And I never advocate for anyone losing their job, but what this software is doing is it's holding people accountable. And those contractors or those people in those positions that aren't being responsive, that aren't getting the information, are being replaced by AI and software that can do it and be responsive and give owners the information they need to make decisions, because that is an asset. Those properties are a money-making asset for them. If they're not cared for, they're going to lose money.
Sure.
How can I increase the valuation of that property, increase your NOI on that property? And that's what LiveSwitch does. And it's truly endless what you can do with it.